Video battle today. Amanya nedobozi bampita Mosh to the Mula aka the baddest. Tuba tuingide of course select for fun nga bulijjo. Twagala kumanya ani asinga endonga, ani asinga message, ani asinga osikiriza mu bigambo by'omukwano. Bino si bya kulekaana wabula lero tuina abayimbi. People that sing their voices out, people that sing their hearts out, people that are emotional, people that sing messages. Si mukwano gokka bano be bayimbi betukuletedde lero. Abasobola otunulira ku mbeera eriwo mu nsi ne bagiyimbako ne batunulira ne kubiriwo on the other side of happiness ne babiyimbako ne badda ne muwaka bagaldem ne babayimbako. I'm talking about love. So which team are you gonna support today on the show? Tuba tutandise. I need to know lero tewali palapase. I need you to charge your phones. If your team David Lutalo tugenda batu chitegera. If your team King Saha, it is about that time. STV, select for fun. We big up to everybody catching the show. We know what to Rabida, we know segregate. We show love to everybody. Entebe Mukono, Zana, Ntinda, Bukoto, Chiwatu Lemwana, Muliba Kabinyo. I say salutations to you. Tutandikirewa. Jagala kumanya fani wa Lutalo uliwa. Genda ku Facebook, we are streaming live right now. Big up to the people I'm working with. Producer Shidi, I see you. And of course Jeff, Pandea, John. You know, shebe tandise muliro kumuliro lero no fear no favor bano bonna bayimba Luganda sagala ate mugambe oli ayimba nnyo oluzungu tetubitegeera bombo clat bayimba message eri touching. When we look at songs like Walumbe Zaya engoma zange from David Lutalo, by the way oba tomanyi David Lutalo yani bamuyita Daudi Lutalo taina stage name mbu ate yeyite bichi ebyabazungu yagamba, you know what, I'm a true African, I must stay original, kansigale kunono. Yoyo Daudi Lutalo. Era bobo ononya ku Google ngononya erinnya lye, togenda sangayo ddala. Bamuyita Daudi Lutalo, aka David Lutalo. One of the prominent Kadongo Kamu, Aban Kadongo Kamu, abayimbe gwe tuyina, abamu ku be tuyina mu ggwanga. So, njagala kumanya. On the other side, Mansul, aka King Saha. Yeah, mwana w'Entebe. Abamumanye nnyo bangambye nti yali muvubi. aka fisherman. So ebintu bya Mukama olusu byewunyisa. Omuyaye yava eri mu kuvuba katate ya toppinga charts kyokka bakulira mu ndongo tebalina kye balagawo. Anyway, bintu bya ndongo, it is a face off select for fun. Twagala kumanya mpola mpola kasavu kanyama tukukuba Lutalo tukukuba saa tukukuba Lutalo tukukuba saa tukukuba saa Lutalo kimanya amajega King Sam you're large enough, yeah? Big up to everybody catching the show. Bobo oli ku show. This is the finest in Uganda. Tubitandise, tugenda bikola abayayi babibukire bagwe. Okitegedde? Face off. Jagala kumanya. King Saha bamuzalira Entebe. David Lutalo yava Luweero. Yali ayokya manda. Okitegeera? Abayimba abali eyo abasinga mutandikidde Kololo, mutandikidde on these big places to mention by the few. Naye njagala nkubuuze. Osobola yimba ng'omusajja yava Luweero. Oyina kyolagako singa omusajja yava Entebe omuvubi. So regardless of your past bw'obanga ne talent nga weeri, we say ebirala tetwagala manya ffe bafaani tuliwo for the good music nebyotuwa. So njagala tumanye the competition is tight. Abantu bonna bayimba bulungi betuleese leero. Tetwagala fear or favor. Bafaani, I need you to go to Facebook right now. Ompe ensonga bbiri. Why you're choosing who you're choosing tonight. See, we are just team with this. I need you to tell me your team Lutalo. Ransonga bweti. Either lyrical maturity mwali endongo kunyumira production bichi video ochistating. Ogende wali if you love King Saha aka Mansul Semanda. Ochitegere omwana w'Entebe. Yagambe byakatimba mbitadde baba. I gotta be behind the microphone. Chovola achatuyiriba. Big up to you King Saha. Yatandikira muliyoni wali nga tanagenda muliyoni yatandikira wa Didi producer Didi wali ewa. Okitegeera wali eri lwakuba abantu beerabira simanyi oba Saha kyakubira producer Didi akasimu n'amugamba wagwa maniga. Okitegeera before King Saha was famous, producer Didi introducing a Million Island. That is how he picked up. Nga bwomanyi ghetto youth bobo ovudde ewaka ng'osayinize n'ogamba kino kye nina okukola for sure oba olina okikola teyazikiza. That is why he's keeping up, giving us good music. On the other side, Lutalo yatandikanga yokya manda n'agamba why sijja fiira Luweero. Okitegeera ekiwaani sijja fiira Luweero n'alinnya bino ebimotoka ebireeta amanda otera obbisanga awo. Big up to Uganda Police. I can see curfew is tight and the checkpoints are in point. So yaita kubino road block curfew simanya bichi police nagamba I have to be in Kampala please. Nino chamula abantu be Kampala because I believe nine dobozi nine chiroto nina talent. Ochitegera eno shoja si akulabisa bulabisa twagala tuyige omuyimbi asinga muno asinga your favorite artist amusinga chi. Is it the video? Is it the lyrics? Is it the content? Is it the vibe? Is it the mood? Is it the style? Ochitegera because at the end of the day this is what makes up an artist. Industry is about ebyakabi. Ochitegera the visual must be on point, producer wa audio alina okubeera on point, stylist wali alina okubeera on point, and of course the story you're telling. When you look at David Lutalo story ya manyi, you know it is inspirational. Akulaga yatandikira mu kyalo wano watuuse kale bajise. First off, my name is Mosh Mula aka The Baddest. STV tugenda kudda mu buyimba bubiri busatu buna nkomao ne feedback wamwe ku Facebook. Ate bwoba oli fani wa anybody, oba oli team Lutalo, oba oli team, you know, King Saha, don't be afraid. Genda ku social media request for that particular jam. We're going to be dropping it. Tuba feva binyo nyo naye nga bwoba wekumide ku STV oli wakabinyo tolinga bali. Big up to King Saha atuletera kayimba ne mwana mulenzi Ziza Bafana. Big up to everybody catching the show. Sparko promoter ngambye koli naye ngambye nti King Saha chikukubira. Regardless, that is your opinion. I respect it every day, anytime, every day. Ochitegera naye nze ndiwo kuweereza njagala kumanya who is your biggest star, who is your artist, who do you love? Is it about the lyrics? Is it about the video? Njagala kujukiza nti Lutalo yatandika n'omulenzi gwe bayita si mulenzi musajja. He's a respected brand in the industry. Bamuyita Norton and George, yeah? One of the videographers Lutalo bazimbedde brand ye okwo. Okitegera he has been behind one of the successful videos eza mwana mulenzi David Lutalo. So simanyi oba Lutalo akyayogera ne Norton and George. Okitegera nga we nababuusizza abantu bwe bafunamu ku ssente bakyukamuko. But one thing I know about Lutalo, ayambye abayaya bawadde show mbadde wano nyumyamu ne Martin ngamba yamuwa show ne Don the Drone angambe yo video eyo waliwo video gye yakushootingira ejinja. So me aimuwe yakukivulu Lutalo. But regardless, I know we are in a COVID situation. Anytime when the bars open, when the concerts open, twagala kulaba. Okitegera kati singa mwana asinga si COVID twandibatadde eri nga Lutalo ali wano. Okitegera nga Battle of the Champions alongside Daudi Lutalo. Anyway, kasomemu ku Facebook comments zamwe. I see the love. Big up to everybody streaming live. Abantu bafabe Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Tunisia, Africa, ne Europe. I know you're catching the show. Sagala kubera, you know. I don't want to segregate here and there, you know. Bulian tulaba right now. STV awambia select for fun. Vampita Mosh Mula aka The Baddest. Chemical Ali Yuji agamba thanks for the show. Ali Makanika from Kawuku. Onoyeta ina chagamba agamba big up Tina Morgan agamba I'm Tina from Katwe but network for me network for me, you know. Is the network confusing you, baby girl? You know, I don't want to say join this, join that, but be on a stable network so that straight ambule. Na yo gamba, Tina Morgan ogamba your team David Lutalo. Segawa Patrick agamba chakabi DJ. Boy, tewali DJ, wabula selector Jeff yabikutemu alongside Shidi after. They make sure demand them. If you're watching TV right now, ebera happiness. Vibe uptown. Ochitegera, Don the Drone ku camera. Everything, Mchuzi Mix, Kasavu Kanyama Lutalo, King Saha. Nkugambye, Mansour Semanda, amanya matufu. aka King Saha yali muvubi. Simanyi oba mpulidde fit. Yali muvubi. Naye muvubi gwenjogerako essaawa zino ayina amaka wali enkozi. People in Nkozi nkimanyi mulaba nnyo show eno. Nkimanyi muli banneiba ba muliraanwa. You get? Muliraanwa ye King Saha ye Mansour Semanda. Ayina emyaka 31 egy'obukulu plus. Omanye abasajja basala ku myaka. Anyway, sagala genda nnyo, sagala kulumba nnyo naye byakoze byayogerera, you know. Ayine bala, ayine owe, andiro ditachamukonkona, era mwana ffe nakye tukolerera okitegeera. But regardless, on the other side, Lutalo naye amulaza amaanyi. Musically, he has been around the scene all the way since 2014. Bonna bafuna musical breakthrough. Mundongo waliwo kye bayita breakthrough. Okitegeera? Breakthrough kitegeeza kigwalaba TV. Breakthrough kitegeeza anyone can sing, but not anyone can have a breakthrough song. You get? You've seen people, we always host people on the show, ne bagamba nti ayimbidde emyaka 10 n'egi naye nga anoonya hit tagiraba. kye bayita breakthrough. Breakthrough lwe luyimba omuyimbi lwakuba ne luyitamu. I'll give you a scenario. One of the fresh talents we have in 256 is Zex Birangirangi. Zex Birangirangi yali ayimba si mupya, but he didn't have a breakthrough song. When I talk about a breakthrough song, I'm talking about oluyimbo olukuba omuntu we aruwa kotiddo koboko ntinda guru jinja, you know, namanya who that guy no mugamba yoyo Moshimula gwe tukugamba baddest butwa okitegera kale. Anyway, mbadde nja kunyumiza ekibozi kya Lutalo alongside, you know, Mansoul Semanda. Muliranwa broke out in 2014. That was his hit song. Okitegera fenane tugamba who's that guy, and everybody was like yo King Saha. Okitegera naye nkugambye King Saha yatandikira wali wa Diddy. Era King Saha bw'oba okyalaba TV sawa zino nandyagadde ebimuli bya Diddy obimuwe nga akyali mulamu, because Mandem contributed a big thing upon your career. So let's not be forgetful of where we come from. Anytime we make it, tulina okuzzaayo omuzigo tuzeeyo eddaala, you know. Omuyaye waba yakuteeka ku siini gw'omuyambi otya right now, because it is a COVID situation. Muliranwa nkimanyi oyinamu empapula. Big up on yourself. Tugende ku side ya Lutalo. Lutalo on the other side yalinnya ekigali ky'amanda nga bw'omanyi biba birole n'agamba kanveeruwero, you know what, I'ma be in Kampala, I'ma be that artist every woman talks about. The rest is history. Okitegera naye njagala kubuusa, all Lutalo's music is written by the man himself, and all this music is inspired by the daily, you know, events that happen in his life. Abakyala bamuleka bali bamulangira alabika bubi musiufu talabika fiti nagamba so I have to speak musically. Sikyalina kwogeza sente oba bulungi kankozese talent, you know. So anyway, nkyali ku Facebook comments zamwe naye nga bw'omanyi nkugambye Kasavu Kanyama Moshimula bwe mbambi tuddemu alongside Shidi After. Kasule Deli kagamba play me twala byange by David Lutalo and Grace Nakimera. Your Facebook love. If you support King Saha, I don't want you to hide the love. Go to Facebook right now. Tuli Live Facebook, Instagram, that is Twitter, on Spaces, you know, we are everywhere. Samante Akram agamba Team David Lutalo nabagale Beatrice agamba watching from Chengera. Abantu bafa abachengera mugamba chi ogamba yes, Muhammad Gundi Team King Saha. Mugogo Arafat agamba Team David Lutalo, Samato Akram agamba Team David Lutalo, Tiane Majegera agamba Saha, Miriam Unamagala agamba Team Saha, Ragasa Steven agamba Team David Lutalo, play for me tugende. Alexander Mukisa ogamba Amukisa from Namusera Wakiso. You are Team King Saha. Abantu bafe mwana tubalaba mutulaga love naye nga kyoba omanye eno yo station number 1 eyesape eya content and of course everything. Rajita tukwatayo ku simu. Shidi After. Talk to me. Hello.
Hello.
Ogambotia, how are you?
Talk to me.
Bana bonkuda kasimu Vira TV Olusi feedback empisa bubinyo. Yeah, I'm taking a few callers. Agala kumanya. Who are you supporting tonight? Twina David Lutalo aka Daudi Lutalo, Avere Ruwero. Twina Sulaiman Semanda aka Mansoul. Okitegera aka King Saha aka Muliranwa Averi Entebe atenga yali muvubi naye ngebyo nobody say.
Yes, hello.
Talk to me. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
How is the show? How are you catching the show? Are you feeling okay?
Yes, from Munguja.
Wanji?
Nasakati mbade kugamba ndi David Lutalo.
Racho li timu David Lutalo. Racho li timu David Lutalo.
Why David Lutalo ankole na kubira kapa afala.
Tukuweka kayimba chaka singo kuchamula. Kubanja galanka kuwe sawa zino ne mama chikabati emu.
Wanji?
Nkuweka yimba che sawa zina akagenda okuteka mu vibe.
Kahere na ko mukankubire nzojja kubo malido na.
Kani? Anyway, big up to people watching us from wherever, man. The love is, you know, the love is too much. Any more callers? I want to speak to a few people. The ladies on the other side. Hello. Jebaleko mami. Hello. Bana ewonkubira kasimu Vira TV sobola ofuna obubaka bwongamba kubanga kino kyakufana kuona tugenda ne Lutalo oba tugenda ne King Saha omwana w'enkumba. Anybody online? Hello.
Hello.
Yogera kone Moshimula the baddest eno shoba jita face off ebeerako every Saturday 9 pm paka sawa ze twagalira kastajja seso. Anyway, abantu be Masaka temuli ku TV nkubira ku simu ngambe kwoli. Yellow. I think the network is catching us up here. Tugenda kuddayo mu buyimba bwamwe kansomeko ku Facebook comments, a few Facebook comments. Maria Anna gamba all the way from Mukono agamba David Lutalo is the best. Atwine Simon Mbabazi agamba King Saha has lyrical maturity. Yellow. Mbongako mbuliro gwa timu chi? Timu Lutalo, timu King Saha. Alright, badde nja kusomera obubaka bwa Atwine Simon agamba King Saha has lyrical maturity content. Big up, play me in Palavu alongside King Saha alongside Wizo Manizo. Yellow.
Hello.
Ogamba otya chali wange?
Kaina tabuche kiriho.
Boy fa baliko tugambe oli ku timu cho oli ku Lutalo oba King's Empire?
Ndi King's Empire King Saha.
Alali. Lwaki oli ku King's Empire era kayimba kyaka kunyumira eri side eri?
Ewa King Saha?
Kayimba kika twandikubidde? Bambi okubidde ludda wa? Njagala kumanya okubidde mwana mbabongeka abantu baawo.
Nkubidde Wakaliga wano.
Wakaliga abantu bafabe Wakaliga salute. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Thank you for watching the show. Eddie M. Roberts ku Facebook agamba Team Saha looking here from Kasubi. Drop me Salapulesa to all Team Anita Violet group. Mosti, Maria Anna, Esther, Bukenya, and Anita herself. So, abantu bafe. Yo, talk to me.
Yo.
Ogambotya bro. Ali fit nyo Ogambotya.
Team King's Empire.
Oli ku timu chi? Oli ku timu King's Love Empire oba oli kweno timu Daudi Lutalo?
Just international Team King's Empire na teka na.
Kayimba kyakasinga okukyamula from the King's Empire.
Kona hello.
Wanje?
Hello.
Sikuulira bulungi kyali wange. Vira TV ongamba akayimba kubanja kakakubira boy.
Akayimba njagala hello.
Biri
Sare kona biri.
Okubidde ludawa?
Kubidde wenki.
Abantu baawo tubagala nnyo kyobomanya STV esinga temujjako. Yaman, tugenze ku Facebook. Hussein Kamase agamba Team King Saha because of the nice and lovely voice and the content. Big up on yourself. Ngawe nkugambye tetwagala bya King Saha byokka. Twagala otuwe reason why you support the man. Yellow. Kasavu Kanyama, timu Daudi Lutalo, King's Empire. Talk to me if you're on the call Vida TV yo so that infune feedback.
Hello.
Ogamba otya chali wange?
Mwana ndikia.
Tumatira nyo boy chobomanya webale na kuita mu.
Kale muganda wange kimoshi olikiriya.
Defeat nyo gwe tondaba.
Nenga mwana wa kitange David Lutalo yankolera.
Alali yankolera. Lwacha kukolera boy wange soko mbusemu.
Mwana David Lutalo agena nayimba Love yona ajimba najiteka okumeza nawe nogirabako.
Oyina mama kikaba okuyadi. Oyinayo mama kikaba goyagala.
Wali mwana wali
kusali wakayimba sawa zino sagala bigambo bingi boy kubaka tontadde mu vibe.
Akayimba kanjalo mwe mana bajja kaita kino tugende.
Bakaitani?
Tugende.
Lwaki shidite tugenda? Esimu zikomao. Please. Kanena Asumpta agamba Team King Saha play for me mwoli. Gimono Grace agamba network. Sempo wa Joseph David Lutalo wa manyi. Yo! Lwaki tetugenda muziki? Life easy. Mugamba mutya bachali banga banda bakosa wazinongolye uopo ye. Lockdown ekuvimbyeko. Fetuli wano to unleash. You know? Select for fun. STV! Namba moja bampita Mosh to the Mula aka Mosh Mula the baddest aka Mosh Top Dog. Tuchali ku Facebook. Kugambye lero si bya kwogera nnyo bya kuyimba. I'm talking about singing, musical, voice, melody, you know? Si bya auto-tune bino. Okitegeera? You have to show work. Can your artist sing when they are called on a function or they mime? That's the reason why we are here. Okitegeera? We are looking at fashion. Ngo Muyimbi, we are looking at two teams. Team David Lutalo, Team King Saha. Ania singer fashion sense musically. We are looking at videos. Ochitegera chengamba. Sagalo wagire fa. I need you to support with a reason. omuyimbi gwowagira omuwagira lwaki? Is it the message he puts out? Is it the videos he shoots? Is it the outfit? Omanyi mwana story n'okubeera ng'oli fresh gwe tondaba mwana okitegeera kati lwaki okola video ate nodda mu mbumbumbumbu. Big up to all the fashion stylists. Ismatic Pro, I see you, my nigga. Vazo, I see you, my nigga. And everybody who's doing fashion at a large scale. So you know, manya, fashion goes hand in hand with music. Ochitegera chengamba. So industry gwe woli artisting olieyo toyagala ku bigging up ba fashionistas. Remember, beba tuambaza, beba tufura bakabi. They have the touch and the quality. Big up to every photographer because music is about visuals. Ochitegera. I told you nti David Lutalo yatandika ne Norton and George. That is a film company. That is a brother, you know. Yatandika ne Don the Drone. Na yena amushutingirako ku video. Don the Drone tukola na yeye. Kutemu mchifana nchobola banshana na boy, you know. Tuli ku Facebook. Shidi Ozi Agamba Mosh. Thanks for the show, man. My name is MC Kalisimat from Kawempe. King Sahaj kuba nyo. Big up to the producer Shidi. Oyo agambye chi ndozo bubako buulide. Chaze Robert agamba am Team King Saha drop me bambi umaje Vaila Alial agamba nsubuga na safe mbwagwe mbadde manyitoliwo nkogobo mu Empire ndoza ago majega King Saha. But I love the love nti at the end of the day zino show tuzikola we want to weigh down a few things, yeah. If you say you are the biggest artist out there, yeah, artist Wakabi is measured by how much people love him, how much people can be there for him. Ochitegera bafani basolo kwira ko mubiri nga bwe bagwiridde King Saha nga Lutalo. Ochitegera ekikumba ngo kitadde bali. What do you sing? I'm talking about content. Botandika okwogera what comes out of your mouth because you know chimanya nti music is short term and long term. In periods like this abantu abasowinga obulungi abayimba obulungi they are ripping off their music. Ochitegera naye gwaya yimba ebiri seasonal it fades away with the season. Ochitegera naye ffe bamoshimula tusigalawo tubawa fresh talent endongeri ku TV because the fresh talent does not stop coming out every other day. Ochitegera anyway tuzeyo namayanjalizo gamba drop me nkwetaaga please bwe tuba tuli mu face off sagala ate palapasembo ate oli team Grace simanya biki oyina okurespecting amateeka ga show. You're either supporting the team that is in the ring right now or you just watch the show. You good? Jesse Webb agamba team David Lutalo. Math Kola agamba King Saha asinga mu Uganda. Hasi agamba King Saha. Mwana King Saha abayayi wabakubidde akasimu manager Sam. Apparently King Saha is managed by manager Sam Mukasa. We should all remember manager Sam Mukasa we atandikira, that is Leon Island. Mwana mulenzi Saha na eje yafubu tukeyo. That is why they are disturbing Kampala. I want to say big up to King's Empire and the whole management. I want to say big up to team David Lutalo mwebale kuwagira muyimbi wame because zenga presenter mba manyi chentu deko amanyi manji mubala amanyi manji mu street. Shidi, I don't know if the calls are ready because the messages are flowing like crazy. Frank Ashumba is watching. Big up on yourself. Hey, Frank Ashumba gamba kwali nnyo is watching. Omanyi Facebook terimba kwali. So anyway, this is Face Off. It happens every Saturday sawa satu okutuka sawa tano. Powered by STV. But we select for fun. Tetuli kubya stress. Obono yakozani oba yakoze bichi. Fetuli ko for good vibes, you know. Bampita moshmula de bades. Shidi. Paye simu bili satu. Let's wind this up. Nkubire simu ngompa reason why you support who you support. Yellow. Amza Katende ko Facebook agamba David Lutalo achikuba buli ango. Big up on yourself. Ramiti Bosco agamba King Saha oye. Kisembo Yese agamba Team Lutalo because he remained in his real nature and sings on the current situation lyrics.
Hello.
And follow. Yo, talk to me.
Okay.
Ogamba otya chali wange?
Ndizo ogamba otya?
Bitambula biti eyo woli.
Bikiri ambozi mweyo.
Okubidde wa?
Ayalo kizingiza.
Jinja muko bachi baba. Atoduse. Abantu bafa Jinja, if you're catching the show, big up on yourself. Abantu bafa Bearua Kotido for Potoman. Yellow, talk to me. Namayanja Lizi ku Facebook. Nkulaba Mathon Kola, nkulaba Nikki wa King Saha agamba King Saha, Hadija namubiri agamba David Lutalo, Esther Katengano agamba King Saha, Nabagala Beatrice agamba Liz mwagala nnyo. Anyway, talk to me. I'm taking 5 calls. Tugenda batu salawo. Yellow.
Hello.
Ogamba otya chali wange?
Ngevamsa Emma.
Ogamba otya Imak?
Amsa Emma.
Emma Okubiddewa Emma? Okubiddewa? Wanjibu. Oli team King Sa, Anyway. Chali wange wokube simu Villa TV because the feedback is, is crazy here. Big up to every promoter ngolaba show right now. Ochitegera. Big up to Mujenyi nkulaba baby girl Kolio pushing here and there. John, Matt the DJ. My nigga there. Yeah. You know what time it is. Nkubira ku simu shidi after mpaya simu satu. We are winding up the show. Je baleko nyabo.
Kale nawe balikuweereza.
Chakabi nnyo okubanga wooli amanya gaffe.
Mama mmoja Bunamwaya.
Bunamwaya.
Tuteeze tutumbudde.
Mwebale kubeerako abantu be Bunamwaya. Mwebale kuselectinga for fun kuba mwana tubasuubiza ebyakabi ate tetubayiwa. Oli ku timu
tuli tulaba. Kakati nzomanya ate kwendi.
Oli ku timu ki?
King Saha.
Lwaki oli ku timu King Saha gwe Bunamwaya? Naye mwana gwe abantu be Bunamwaya mwinamu side.
Nedda.
Lwaki oyagala King Saha?
Mwana gwange ndi obuyinza.
Anyway, abantu baffe be Bunamwaya muli bakabi nnyo, and I feel excited when a woman goes through because women are mothers of the nation. Big up to every mother. Yo, hello. Tugenda kukwata essimu bbiri ngamba gy'okubidde ne gw'owagira. We wind up.
Hello.
Je baliko boss.
Kono Mustafa Najira.
Oli ku timu ki? Soko Villa TV ombuse. Anyway, if you can't get
Team David Utara.
Yeah, Team David Utara. Abantu be Najera, big up on yourself. Najera Chiwatule Bukoto Ntinda Kamocha Kawente.
Hello.
Je baleko nyabo.
Kale sabuna jewale.
Okubidde wanze ndi mu vibe simanyi obonda beyo.
Nkulaba.
Okubiddewa.
Kubidde Kawente.
Bana ya bana be Kawempe singa mumanyi bwemba matira. Oli ku timu ki boy? Atodu sabuzi. Oli ku timu ki?
Timu Saha.
Team King Saha. Kayimba chima minga tonagenda. Gwe abantu muli bakabi nnyo, big up on yourself. Gwe kyoba manya tugenda kukubirako akayimba webale kwekumira ku STV. Shidi mpa essimu bbiri. 2 last calls. Kale Donde John angambye tukwate enya. Let's go.
Kabuya Michael.
Ogamba otya?
Bana ni
Nansa na mugamba mutya bachali bange. Nansa na omwana waka awo ku masto abiki.
Ekigambula mwana.
Muli bicheyo lockdown ebayise etya?
Bana Kingisawo mwana ngoneka yomirira muddala.
Naye nga lwaki temuwagira Daudi? Kayimba chicken kuwa boy.
Omanyi.
Simanyi boy gwambo.
Okola njagala okubira kayimba akasa.
Bakaitani, bakaita batya?
Akasa kubakaita.
Aino buyimba bungi. Rita.
Mulirwana.
Biri muliranwa.
Walero kategera.
Nga tonagenda olinayo kimuliranwa ekikuyisa obubyawo oli.
Mara ekiri olitegera mwana.
Soko kibongeko kuba nange mwana bimpisa bubi oluusi naye nenegumya.
Era oba olina okwegumya bladi.
Soko babongeko 2 3.
Mwana ntumira bladi alikema ka promota. Ayampiana.
Yaman.
Ntumira n'omukyala wange amita Silvia.
Yaman. All right. Webale nnyo okutukubirako kyali waffe. Tugenda kukwata essimu 2 ezisembayo. Essimu 2. Are you for Team David Lutalo? Are you for Team King Saha? The choice is yours, the fan, the viewer. Ali ku STV.
Hello.
Yo.
I'm Gitu Busabala girl.
Wanji?
Gitu Busabala girl.
You're calling from Kabalagala.
How is Kabalagala?
How is Kabalagala? Anyway, yakubide Kabalagala na yatugambye Team David Lutalo. So, I told you are taking 2 teams. Yellow.
Hello.
Yellow. Yes, so request TV live and direct. Oyogera ne Moshmula. Show bajita face off.
Moshmula.
Yeah man.
Era ndi wano namagoma nkulaba mwana ya.
Namagoma mugamba muti abazaliba Holland.
Mwana tulikiria nnyo.
Abayayiso kubagambe bongeze volume nze sibawulira boy.
Mwana yongezaako. Mwana akayimba kootuwe obuyimba bw'otukubidde bwakabi nnyo.
Laira, big up on yourself. After and Def Chikoti on the mix.
Nkumatira mwana Moshmula.
Nange nkumatira boy gwe kyobomanya kuba ne gomatira naye wakabi ate nawe oli wakabi.
Alali namagoma
oli timu ki?
Ndi timu Saha.
Lwaki oli timu Saha?
Mwana nkubira obuyimba obunkwatako ennyo.
Nkuwe kayimba ki? Ate opipidde.
Nkwatibwe ekisa.
Ssebo. Kagende eri ani kyali wange?
Kagende eri mukyala wange Mariam Nanyombi.
Oyo mama Kikabo inamuwa respect number 1. Kwali kutivaawo?
Era ndi naye wano.
Soko mupe ku simu, va ku simu kuba Cowboy kati sagala kwogera na Cowboy. Mpa mama Kikabo.
Wali wano. Era yannambye.
Mumpe mubongeko.
Mukuwe.
Yo mama Kikabo. Yo.
Hello.
Ogamba otya mama Kikabo?
Nyandise buli otasebo.
Wale kuwagira STV namba 1 Uganda.
Tuwagira.
Oyagala kayimba ki mama Kikabo kululu ngenda kakuwa mullo.
Ukwatiwe chicha nkwano wabe korentia.
Mama Kikabo atoli timu Saha.
Timu Saha.
Banaye family yonna mwagenda wa muliranwa.
Bagala muliranwa njagala nkwatiwe chicha nkwano korentia.
Ngenda kakuwa mama Kikabo. Webale kulabirira musajja, mwebale kulavinga STV. All right. Simanyi oba producer Shido nompayo one lucky caller. Agendo kumenyawo kino. I want to know who's the winner today. Face off Saturday on this side, red corner tuina King Saha, blue corner tuina David Lutalo, center tuina Moshmula, alongside nabali mabegao tuchikwasaganya. One last caller ono ya salao. Last caller. Yellow.
Hello.
Ogambo otya kyali wange?
Wali muganda wange.
Webale kulaba STV kansoke kwebaza nga tonangamba side joliko.
Video kawenti.
Okubidewa?
Kawenti.
Wanje?
Kawenti.
Kawuku?
Kawenti.
Kawempe.
Yeah.
Kawempe mugamba mutya leero?
Tulikiriya muganda wange.
Ani asinga okukubira raga?
Wanje?
Wanje?
Saa.
Kayimba kyakasinga okukolera? Muliranwa. Oyinayo muliranwa akuyiribyeyo. Soko omubongeko. All right. Big up on ourselves, our people from Kawempe, Zana, Nansana, Gayaza, Kulambire, Rich Sasi, Bahai Temple, Antindao, Ali Kuchikontainer, Abantu Bafamebo Yogere, DJ Lennox, I did see you, bro. Chaliwange J Banks, Mugama Mutia. Lero, Chigwalero, Chigenda Ntebe, Chigenda Ruwero. I don't know. Shidi after. I'm waiting on the results, brother. We are considering social media. Ochitegera. That is Ochitegera. David Lutalo bwetugenda mu masimu ajeyo 30%. Let's go. Side eri King Saha njagalo Electoral Commission eri mikolako tetwagala ate palapase. We fear nobody and we love everybody. Ochitegere chiwani. Shidi after. ndaga ku side eri Kings Empire akoze atya kuba abayaye balina akatengo nze mbalaba. If you're loving Ugandan music twasazeewo tweweeyo tukuleetera abayimbi bo okitegeere kiwani. We compare them, we put them on a musical bajita minzani. Omusajja w'ekiwatule yayimba n'agamba eno minzani mukama. Yo, tuina David Lutalo, tuina King Saha. Shidi, njagala olaga abantu King Saha akoze atya on the other side. Yeah. Naye Shidi olabika obye ebigezo balwa kuwoli kyali wa Sam Mukasa. Simanyi. But big up on yourself, manager Sam Mukasa. Big up on yourself, David Lutalo. Sagade kwogera ku bivulu byabwe because I believe bobango baddo bawagira you have attended most of the concerts. You know who is the king of the concerts, you know who is the king of talking, you know who is the king of music. Naye mwana kyenzudde ebikyala bimatira King Saha mulo. David Lutalo onawo oli oyimba bulungi naye weetereze mulo. Abawagizi mbalaba batandise okuddukira mu Kings Empire. Anyway, social media nga wenkugambye, the love is equal. Amaje gali wano. So chovola akazanyo tukongeddeyo ne tugamba naye bwe tukwatamu essimu nga 5 wagwan. Okitegeera? Anyway, based on the callers, based on social media, based on ground, golozania wangudde. Eno show bagita face off every Saturday 9 p.m. Yeah. King Saha wangudde. Yeah? That is 70%. We are still looking at the callers, the percentage. Social media chirichiti after. I'm waiting on you, my niggas. I'm waiting on you. Abantu batudde fifi nkulaba. You're catching the show. Yeah. Kulo natetuna genda kansibula abantu. Uliriza obubaka.